Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you a cool feature that's built in the latest updates of Android. This is a Samsung Galaxy S22, should apply to 23 or any other device that has the latest software updates. Alright, so I'm going to show you to put your device in maintenance mode. Now of course maintenance mode is a very cool mode in that it allows your device you can basically pass off your device to somebody like for repair. So if you take it to a repair shop, instead of giving somebody access to your entire device, you can actually choose or basically place your device in a special mode that only allows them to access pre-installed apps and so on without accessing your personal stuff such as your photos, your accounts, and so on. All right, so this is a cool mode to know, especially if you're taking your device in for repair. All right, so go to settings. Once you're in settings guys, you can find maintenance mode. It's gonna be under battery and device care in settings. Once you're here, go down and of course you'll see maintenance mode. So it's called maintenance mode. And of course if you tap, it says protect your it says maintenance mode protects your privacy while someone else is using your phone, such as when you're sending it for repairs. All right, in maintenance mode, your personal data including pictures, messages, and accounts cannot be accessed, and only pre-installed apps are available. You'll need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. When you do, everything will back to the way it was when maintenance mode was first turned on. Changes made while maintenance mode is on, such as downloaded data, install apps, or settings changing are saved. So if the person install any app for helping in repairs or so on, it will not keep those apps. So it gives you the option to back up your data just in case something were to happen. And of course you can go ahead and turn on maintenance mode. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the mode. And of course it says while your phone needs to restart to turn on maintenance mode, and I'm going to hit restart. And of course it says it takes around 2 minutes so that a log is created, and your phone restart in maintenance mode. You can safely hand over your phone for maintenance. All right, so of course it can be used for other stuff as well. So anything in which you want somebody to use your phone quickly or for an extended period of time without needing to go into what they're not supposed to go into or view anything they're not supposed to view, you can actually place your device in maintenance mode. So as you can see, it's a very serious mode. So it's the only cases that you're gonna hand off your device that you should put it in this mode. All right, so no one should be able to access this unless they have your fingerprint or whatever lock you have on to your device to take it out of the mode. All right, so I'll come back as soon as maintenance mode is up and running. All right, so once you reboot here, it will come here. So I'm going to say switch to maintenance mode. This is directly after the reboot. All right, so the device has started up. And of course, as you can see here, this is maintenance mode. All right, so the phone is starting. And notice you'll always know you're in maintenance mode because of course it says down here maintenance mode. All right. And of course, as you can see here, this device is as if it was never used. And of course, this is perfect for repairs. All right. So as you can see here, I can access the camera. I can go to the Play Store, but it will ask me to sign in. I should be able to access gallery. Check it out guys, all your photos are gone. So this is what maintenance mode does, and it's perfect as no one will have access to anything on my device and I haven't lost any of my data. All right, to exit maintenance mode, you're gonna tap here to exit. So once you tap here to exit, it's gonna give you the option to exit. It will verify your password and it will start over, and you'll go back to normal mode. And of course you can use your device as normal with all of your data restored. All right, so that's how to basically put your device in maintenance mode. You can use it for repairs. You could also use it for other cases where you don't want somebody to be messing around with stuff that they're not supposed to and hand over your phone. All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.